Here's the video tutorial for X-plorer. It's a file explorer with some pretty advanced features. First, you'll notice that you can get root access if you have rooted your phone. It has web storage. You can actually uninstall from this app. You can do Wi-Fi file sharing. That's available for anybody who uses this app that donates a little bit to the cause. So if you donate 2 beers to him, he'll give you access to the advanced features. So I like to help out a developer I think has made excellent apps, and this is an excellent app, so I donated. Got the full functionality. And now I'll share with you, so see if you want to get it. So on to the basic features. So down here you'll see show. These are the things that you can add to there or take away from the list. This has a 2-pane window. Hitting here will switch panels. Also a swipe will switch panels. Also this button will switch panels. This is fully customizable. We'll go through that right now. You hit the 3-dot menu and you hit more, configure buttons. Now you can turn them on, turn them off, move them up and down in the list. I like to group what I have on the page together, and I usually have 2 groups because they're just closer to each other, and I don't want to put them all in the same place. It just takes too long. But that could be done if you want to. But just because they're on this list, they're in order of the checked ones. The non-checked ones do not show. So now we'll go through configuration. You can show the hidden files. If you want to use the in-app viewers, it has that here. If you want to use the externals, just uncheck it. If you have root, you have more accessibility, and you just turn it on right here. No root, showing root folder normal way is the highest you can get if you don't have root. If you want to get rid of that folder on there, you can hit disable. If you don't have root, there's no point for you to have it. So by default, I think this should be disabled, and you can turn it on. So it shows the details about them, file size, the thumbnail, things like that. So this one basically, there's an advanced audio player and a simplified audio player. So this toggles between them when you choose to play an audio file within the app. You can open APKs as zip if you are coder. Can sort by different ways. Sort the audio by metadata. That's the information that is inside the file. Sort your folders by different orders. All those are useful when you're trying to do file. There's also a light theme and a dark theme. I like the dark theme. The light theme is a green hue. I like to disable the recycle bin because if you delete anything, then it sits in the recycle bin. And I don't really like the recycle bin. There's also a clipboard toolbar. We'll turn that on right now and I'll show you what that's all about. So that's a little different. So when moving files, you basically all you have to do is check the file you want to move, navigate on the other side to where you want to copy it to. Go back to the first, and you see on the bottom it says copy. I'm going to copy that check. Now it says clipboard finished videos is going to, no, that's not where, see it's lined out because that's the same folder that I brought it from. Now I'm going to go to where it says, and now it changed to Chrome Reader, which is what I have highlighted here. And I can choose to move the whole files, or if it's unchecked, it copies. If I don't want to do it, I can hit the X, or if I want to complete it, then I hit the paste. If I don't want to complete it, hit the X. File management has never been easier. With all these check marks and simple, easy ways to navigate, we're going to turn off the clipboard tool. And we're going to move on to Wi-Fi sharing options. So you can make it so it's read-only access, the sharing. You can make it so there's a password. You can auto on-off the Wi-Fi when starting to share. And the Wi-Fi file sharing is here. You can also add in your Google Drive, your Box, your Dropbox, your OneDrive, any other types of web storage. And that's about it. Thanks for watching and keep coming back.